Today we are going to explain you about our project. We are BE students of 2017 pass out, and our title of the project is Rating Prediction Based on Social Sentiment Textual Reviews. So let's start. So what is our problem statement? There are various websites nowadays like Twitter, Amazon, shopping websites, etc. So in our project we have considered Amazon healthcare website. So you can consider any one website, and in that website many reviews are collected of a particular product. So there is a need to analyze a product, and hence to analyze the product we need to analyze the reviews. And these reviews, after analyzing, they are rated, and these ratings are generated from the textual reviews, and according to the requirement and interest of the user, a particular product is recommended from our recommender system. So next, introduction. Like I said just now that many websites have many reviews collected, and to handle these all reviews brings a problem, and the problem we face is of information overloading. So we are using Hadoop processing here, and hence we are solving this problem of information overloading. So we are implementing the sentiment based rating prediction for improving the accuracy of the recommendation system. Now next, so to understand what our project exactly does, this is a diagram we have made. Here are the users. Uh, the, Next to it are the reviews, and below are the products. So as I said, we have taken the Amazon healthcare website, and we have chosen a product called healthcare product, which is digital watch. These are the digital watches, and first two digital watches are good in brand. The next one is good in color and also in appearance, and the last one is good in also brand, also appearance, and also quality. So according to the user's requirement, he needed a good quality, good appearance, and good brand watch. Hence we recommended him the last one according to his or her requirement through the recommender system. Next slide, literature survey. Uh, we have used three topics here. One is collaborative filtering, other is sentiment analysis, and the third one is LDA. So in collaborative filtering, the unrated, there are some unrated items and also some rated items. So analyzing the rated items reviews and also its points, we are generating the ratings for the unrated items here. For example, there are two Samsung cell phones. One is rated one and other is unrated one. By use of the rated Samsung product, we are generating the ratings for the unrated Samsung product. Next is sentiment analysis. Here there are three levels: review level, sentence level, and phrase level. And we are generating the positive reviews, negative reviews, and neutral ones. Next is LDA. Here we are constructing a vocabulary. We firstly regard each user's review as a collection of words without considering the order. Then we filter out the stop words and the negative words and noise words. This is the system architecture. Here Amazon healthcare data is pushed onto HDFS. Then later, using machine learning, that is map reduce process, we are processed the reviews into three parts: the positive, neutral, and negative. Hence after this a sentiment report is generated, and it is pushed onto HDFS or stored onto HDFS. So now to retrieve the sentiment report, we use web application, and a particular product is recommended to the user through the web app. So this is our module description. Input is our Amazon healthcare data, which will be in JSON format. Next, the data transferring procedure. The data, as I mentioned earlier, that input data is pushed onto HDFS. The processing part, data processing part, it is done by the help of MapReduce. Here we have used one machine learning algorithm which is Naive Bayes classifier. This classifier categorizes the reviews into positive, negative and neutral. Hence the output is generated, and which is our sentiment report, which we are going to store it on HDFS. So how to retrieve our output? We are retrieving our output through the web application and generating recommendations and ratings. By retrieving the sentiment report from the HDFS, our web application is recommending the user a product according to his or her requirement. In methodology, we are extracting the product features by LDA technique. The user sentiment measurement. Here the positive and negative words are categorized separately, and the positive count is +1 and negative is -1. And in a review, if both counts are equal, then it becomes neutral, or the maximum count is considered as final count. So 3 factors: user sentiment similarity, interpersonal sentiment influence, and item reputation similarity are used in the methodology. Algorithm. So first, we are extracting the reviews from the Amazon Healthcare data, which is in JSON format. Next part is to load the dictionary. Now we are loading the dictionaries of positive words, negative words and stop words. Now we need to remove the stop words, which are unnecessary part in our code. So we are training the Naive Bayes classifier for positive and negative sentiments. Then the comparison is done and the polarities are calculated. The polarities will be as positive, negative or neutral. According to this, we generate a sentiment report and we provide the ratings and recommendations through the web application. Our system requirements, the software requirements and hardware requirements come here. In software requirements, operating system will be Linux or Windows. Next, Hadoop MapReduce framework is used. Java 8 is needed and Apache Tomcat 7 is needed. In hardware requirements, the RAM is 4 GB for efficient processing using Hadoop, and the CPU speed will be 2 GHz. The use case diagram, the activity diagram, class diagram. This is our output generated. This will be the final output. This is our GUI. Here user will enter the username and password, and we need to log in. After we log in, we will see this page. It consists of reviews, the product ID and the analysis, that is the result part, whether it is negative, positive or neutral. Total comments, positive comments, neutral comments and negative comments. We can generate dynamic questions based on the user reviews for further rating prediction. Also, we can consider linguistic rules while analyzing the context. We can enrich the sentiment dictionaries to apply fine-grained sentiment analysis, and for better analysis of product, we can generate graph for each product. This is our graph generated. This is the data, X data, Y data. The positive count is 31, neutral count is 6, negative count is 7. According to that, we have generated a graph so that we can get idea. This is our product ID, and these are the type of reviews. Next, conclusion. So concluding our topic, as huge amount of healthcare data is generated, so the reviews are extracted from it. So extraction, processing and analyze, and we should analyze those reviews. This extracted data helps further for better evaluation, categorizing and rating of the product, so as to recommend that product to the user according to his or her requirement. We have used a Naive Bayes classifier here for the classification of positive, negative and neutral reviews. Hence, in this classification, the product having positive polarity is to be recommended to the user. This makes user easy to make decisions and helps in choosing a better rated product. Thank you.
केलंस ना
हो.
आता ह्याच्यावरती